ground in terms of how it affected me. I wasn't involved in that statement at all. I'm not nearly important enough to do that. But, when that statement on social justice came out, you read that statement and you look line by line, even before you get to the affirmations and denials, you're like, okay, this is almost like saying the sky is blue.
Yeah.
This is like saying cats exist. This is like, these are obvious statements that I don't even think you almost don't even have to be a Christian to affirm. They're that universal and obvious. And people were freaking out over it, saying, "Oh, this is the worst thing ever since Antichrist sliced bread or something. Like, this is terrible." And I would read it and I was like, this is basic stuff. Like, of course I agree with this. And it showed me how terribly off we were in terms of biblical discernment and all these sorts of things. Like, it was sort of an eye opener to me